Leetcode Simplified, where we solve problems the easy way. Today we're tackling Leetcode 67, Add Binary. You're given two binary strings and you need to return their sum, also as a binary string. First things first, we need to understand how binary addition works by hand. Let's add 1100 and 1110 and observe what happens, column by column. First column, 0 plus 0 equals 0. That's even, so the binary digit here is 0. Next column, 0 plus 1 equals 1. Odd, so we write 1. Next, 1 plus 1 equals 2. We write 0 and carry over 1. Last column, 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. We write 1 and carry 1 again. Finally, that carry 1 gets written in front, so the result is 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. From this, we can observe two important mental shortcuts. If the total is even, the binary digit is 0. If it's odd, the binary digit is 1. That's what total modulo 2 tells us. It checks for even or odd. If the total is 2 or 3, we carry over 1 to the next column. That's exactly what total floor divided by 2 does. It gives us the carry. Now let's turn that logic into Python. We start with an empty list to store the result. Set pointers I and j to the end of each binary string. Initialize carry as 0. Then we loop as long as either string still has digits left or there's a carry. At each step, start with the carry as the total. If it has a digit, add it as an integer to the total and move I left. Same for B. Add digit to total and move j left. The current binary digit is total floor divided by 2. Convert it to a string and append it to the result. Update the carry as total modulo 2. Finally, reverse the result list and join it into a string. That's your answer. All right, let's go ahead and hit the submit button. Whoops, I think there is a typo. Here it is. Let's resubmit. Boom, great, accepted. And that's it. No built-in conversions, no binary headaches, just basic math, a clean loop, and one simple mental trick. Even total, write 0. Odd total, write 1. Carry over if total is 2 or 3. Easy to understand, easy to code. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Leetcode walkthroughs. I'm Alan, this is Leetcode Simplified. See you in the next one.